Hi everyone, this is Yuki for a deep dive on MILLICOIN. And if you've never heard of MILLI, this video will show you everything you need to know about this new coin. But first, let me remind you that nothing I say is financial advice. Let's get into it. Now, what is MILLI? MILLI is the first coin that has appeared on the DOGCOIN network. The launch was hyped by partnering with some selected NFT communities from the DOGCOIN network. Members of these communities were all gifted a generous airdrop of 7 million MILLI, making them instant millionaires. This way, the MILLI team secured a nice and enthusiastic community to support its token. Just to give you an idea, this airdrop, originally worth about $2.5, went up to $100. That's a times 40 in only a few days. And it is just getting started. If you follow crypto, you know that meme coins are dominating the market. If MILLI follows its alter ego Bonk on Solana, it could mean another times 50 or even times 100 from here. The truth is, if you see this video, you are very early. Look, the Twitter only has 7,000 followers. I recommend joining the Discord to get all the juicy news first and to meet the amazing community. Now, if you want to buy, you'll need a Compass wallet loaded with some SEI. I made a complete tutorial on how to do just that, and the link is in the description. Today, after only 1 week of existence, MILLI smashed its first roadmap goal and got listed on the famous CoinMarketCap, giving it more legitimacy and maximum visibility. And this news is already showing on the charts. After a heavy Sunday, where many people took some profit, which was to be expected after reaching all-time high and offering a times 40 to early investors, the pullback is now almost digested, and we've entered a new ascending channel with plenty of nice and healthy support, as you can see on my message chart. That is it, guys, for the video. All the links are in the description. Like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed the video, and if you do become a millionaire, feel free to send some MILLI to Yuki.